A sailor brought a sheepdog to the captain, who commanded that the dog be thrown overboard. The ship's cat attempted to persuade the captain, but he refused, anxious about the food shortage. The sheepdog, sensing its imminent fate, gazed up at the captain, while the captain's face contorted with conflicting emotions as he remained steadfast in his decision. Dark clouds rolled in as the ship rocked wildly, the crew scrambling to stabilize the vessel while the sheepdog braced itself against the imminent storm.